Greetings and feelings. Hello, my friend. Hi there. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good night. How are you? I am happy. I feel good. I feel sad. I am excited. I am tired. I feel sleepy. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am okay. I feel better now. I feel great today. I feel scared. I feel brave. I feel proud. Names and polite talk. What is your name? My name is Sam. Nice to meet you. Please help me. Thank you. You are welcome. Sorry about that. That is okay. Excuse me. Can I try? Yes, you can. No, not now. Please wait. Let me help you. Thank you for helping. You are kind. That is very nice. I like you. We are friends. Let's be kind. Today was no ordinary day in Maplewood Nursery. The sun danced cheerfully through the windows, and a gentle breeze whispered welcome to the boys and girls gathering for playtime. Amelia, a little girl with curly hair and an infectious smile, ran to the toy box where Jamal was already searching for the building blocks. With a soft voice, she said, "May I have the red block, please?" Jamal nodded, his eyes bright, and replied, "Of course." "Thank you," Amelia beamed, stacking the block atop her growing tower. Nearby, Lucas waited patiently in line for the slide as Ella zipped down with laughter. Though excitement bubbled inside him, Lucas remembered to wait his turn, watching out for the little ones and offering a hand if anyone seemed nervous atop the steps. Jasmine, seeing two children tugging at Teddy the bear, gently suggested, "Why don't we share Teddy? We can take turns hugging him." The tension dissolved, and the three children giggled together as Teddy enjoyed his triple dose of cuddles. Suddenly, a cry came from the art table. Charlie's paint had tipped onto the floor, splattering a rainbow mess beneath his chair. Before Charlie could even worry, Priya fetched a cloth and knelt beside him, dabbing up the spill. "Don't worry. We can clean it together," she said kindly. Charlie grinned, grateful for her help. During the story circle, everyone remembered to listen carefully as Mrs. Browning read from a book about a brave little mouse. When questions came, the children put up their hands and waited to speak, each sharing their ideas while the others listened, eager to hear every thought. Snack time arrived with a chorus of please and thank you, banana segments and carrot sticks handed around with careful hands. Each child made sure their friends received a fair share, and those who needed help opening lunchboxes received it, without having to ask twice. Outside, the children played tag, shouts of encouragement filling the air. When Leon stumbled and nearly gave up, his friends called, "You can do it. Try again." With a determined nod, Leon sprang up, joining the game once more. At the end of the day, everyone pitched in to clean up toys, singing a tidy-up song and racing to see who could fill their basket fastest. Smiles brightened every face, reflecting the happiness that comes from kindness shared. As parents arrived, Mrs. Browning gathered the group for one last moment. "Remember," she said, "always be honest, be helpful, be patient, be friendly, and be happy. You've made today wonderful just by being you." With hearts full of good deeds, the children waved goodbye, ready to make tomorrow even kinder. Animals and nature. Look at the dog. The dog is cute. I like cats. The cat is sleeping. The bird can fly. Look at the fish. The fish can swim. I see a cow. The cow says moo. The sheep says ba. The lion is big. The rabbit can hop. I like animals. Animals are friends. Be kind to animals. Look at the sun. The sun is bright. I see clouds. The sky is blue. Nature is beautiful. Food and daily life. I am hungry now. Let's eat. I like apples. I like bananas. This food is yummy. I want water. Let's drink milk. Time for breakfast. Time for lunch. Time for dinner. Wash your hands. Let's clean up. Time to rest. Take a nap. I feel full. I feel strong. Food gives energy. Let's eat together. Thank you for food. I like healthy food. I love my family. This is my mom. This is my dad. I have a sister. I have a brother. I love my friends. My friend is nice. We play together. We learn together. We share toys. We help each other. My family loves me. I love you, Mom. I love you, Dad. Let's hug. Let's smile. We are happy. We are safe. We are together. Family is special. Let's play. I like to play. Let's run. Let's jump. Let's dance. Let's sing. I love this game. This is fun. Play with me. Catch the ball. Throw it here. I missed it. Try again. You can do it. Good job. Well done. That was fun. Let's play again. I like this toy. Share with me. Let's learn together. I like school. This is my book. Let's read. Let's write. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. I know this. am learning. I like colors. This is red. This is blue. This is yellow. This is green. I like letters. Letter A is fun. I can read. Help me read. Let's try again. Learning is fun. Extra simple talk. Come here. Go there. Sit down. Stand up. Look here. Listen to me. Follow me. Let's go. Stop here. Keep going. That is mine. This is yours. I like it. I don't like it. That is funny. That is silly. I am ready. Let's start. Let's finish. The end. Bedtime and goodbye. It is bedtime. Let's sleep. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Put on pajamas. Time to rest. Sweet dreams. Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. Sleep well. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. See you soon. Have a nice day. Take care. I had fun today. Today was great. I am happy today. Thank you, friends. Good night, friends. The story of the little bridge. Long ago, in a small village surrounded by tall mountains, there lived a boy who dreamed of helping his community. Every day, he watched people struggle to cross a rushing river that divided the village from the fields. The water was too strong, and many turned back, losing precious time and hope. One morning, the boy noticed a stray dog sitting by the riverbank. The dog carried a stick in its mouth and dropped it across 2 stones. Inspired, the boy realized that even small efforts could lead to big solutions. He began gathering wood, stone, and rope. At first, his hands trembled, and the task seemed impossible. But he remembered the dog's simple act and pressed on. Day after day, he worked. Villagers laughed at his tiny pile of materials, but he kept building. Slowly, the pieces came together. The dog stayed by his side, wagging its tail, as if cheering him on. Finally, after weeks of effort, a sturdy bridge stretched across the river. The villagers crossed safely, carrying food, tools, and dreams to the other side. The boy stood proudly, knowing that courage and persistence had turned his vision into reality. The dog barked happily, and together they showed the village that even the smallest spark of determination could light the way to great change. This short motivational tale emphasizes perseverance, creativity, and the power of small beginnings. The playground meeting. A bright sun shone over the green playground where 2 children, Tom and Mia, saw each other for the first time. Tom smiled and walked over, saying, "Hello. How are you today?" Mia beamed back, "I am happy. What about you?" "I'm happy too. Let's play together." Tom suggested, holding up a little red ball. Mia's eyes lit up. Wow, that is so fun! Mia rolled Tom's ball down the slide, then stopped. Can you help me, please? She asked, pointing to where the ball had rolled under the bench. Yes, I can help you, Tom replied. He crawled over and grabbed the ball. Mia clapped. Thank you very much. Tom grinned. You are welcome. Tom showed Mia his toy car. Look at my toy. Mia touched it gently. Your toy is nice. Tom said, let's share our toys. He handed her the car while she offered her blue teddy bear. I like to share, Mia said with a giggle. They sat side by side, swapping stories while playing. Mia asked, what is your name? My name is Tom. She nodded, nice to meet you. Suddenly a teacher called out, let's read a story. The children joined the group, sitting close together. Mia whispered, I love this story, as the teacher read about magical forests. Soon after, the bell rang and the lunch boxes came out. The pair sat on the grass. It is time to eat, said Tom. They opened their lunch. Mia took a bite. Yummy. This is good. When the day ended, they stood up and smiled. See you tomorrow. Bye. Tom waved. Mia waved back. Their friendship had just begun.